Hey guys, so in this video we will be checking all types of data formatting in Excel cells, and if you want to display things in a different way, for example 1052 displayed as 10 hours 52 Thursday November 1 2001. So we will be catching all these stuffs in this session. So let's get started. Okay, so if you see this column A to column F, and in this formula bar you will see the same data whatever it may be. Okay, however the data is represented in a different way to the end user. So how this is done? So I will give you a way. I will show you how this is done. Okay, so let's say you have 11/1/2001 and you want to display it as 1101. You don't want one single digit being displayed as 1. Instead you want it as 01. So if you see in this custom formula bar, what we have is D is representing the date, M is representing the month, and Y is representing the year. Okay, so if I change D to double D's, so this will represent, just look at this portion. If you see, it represents D with 0, 1, and month it is already representing, sorry, D it is representing as day, and month it is changing to 1. So this is 1st of November 2001. And in a similar way, if you want to just change it the standard way, you can always click the standard button which you want. So in this case it was 12. So if you wanted to 2012, then it should be YYYY in the custom formula. Okay, so I will just change it to YY and it will display it as 2011. Okay, so in this case you are having a formula Thursday November 2001, and if you want to display it in a much clean way, okay, just say November and Thursday. Okay, so you will go to format cell. So what does YYYY represent? It will display, it will tell the system that look boss, you need to display everything. So MMMM, so all the month name in a full format. So November is MMMM. So if I just change it to 3 characters MMM, so it will display November as NOV, and in a similar way day as THU. Okay, so this is what got changed. So some of the integrations, banking or anything related to that, you will get data in this format. So just in case if you want some spaces in between those or some hyphen or anything like that, I will just show with the spaces, so you can change it in the format and it will display it the way you want it. In a similar fashion, if you want to display things in a different way, so in this case it is November 2011, so you can just skip this to November 1 and 2000, and instead of day you will keep it as DD and it will display it in this way. Okay, so I will show you how this 1052 is getting displayed as 10 hours and 52. So in many of the cases, uh, wherein you get time, and in some cases you want to keep the data in a way that is more representative in front of meetings. So what you can do is write a formula equal to hours. Okay, just press tab instead of typing everything and opening the parenthesis. So click this. Okay, close the parenthesis. Okay, after that you need to type ampersand. After ampersand, the name. So this will give you hours, 10 hours, 10. This will give you 10. Okay, now what do you want to represent over here? 10 is hours. Okay, give a space, complete the colon, then again you want to display minutes, then again press ampersand, minutes. MIN is minimum, so minutes, press tab. Okay, then again press this. Okay, close the bracket. Now Again press ampersand, and what do you want to display over here is minutes. Okay, and then close the inverted colon. Okay, so if you see over here, then 14 is now represented as 14 minutes. So irrespective of this AM or PM, it will automatically show you or display the value over here. So these are some of the tricks which you should know while working with dates and times and formats of dates. Okay, so if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.